Be a fan of each other's characters. I'm not sure where I heard this tip. It's one of my all-time favorites. Let me know in the comments which famous GM thinker said this. Apologies for not remembering. This is how the campaign can be more exciting for all your players. I mean, which part of the story is the richest, the most complex? Surely the characters. They're front and center of everything that's happening. Yet we're only focused on our character. Like, where are they going? What's happened to them? What do they want next? And there are all these other characters, and we're just passively interacting with them. We're connecting with the other players probably a lot and socializing with them. But part of the richness of the plot is, oh, what's happening in your character's life? And be interested in that. Ask the other player. Really be invested. Try and sometimes the actions of your player. What are you going to do next? When that's asked of you, ask maybe, ooh, can I help now that my friend here has told me what they want for their character, what they perceive their next arc to be? They're on this path of redemption. Maybe I can help them. Maybe my next action will help them achieve that. But if everyone thinks that way, I think the whole is greater than the sum of the parts, because it's combined creativity. We help each other's characters grow. If it's just this myopic, what does my character want? How would they react? I'm just role-playing here. I'm not going to force those others to do anything they don't want, but I'm going to give them suggestions. I'm going to come to them with ideas, with help. They can decide if they want to use those ideas or not. But if we pool our creativity and if we tell our players, guys, be fans of each other's characters and ask each other which arcs you're on, where they see their characters growing to, how they're emotionally reacting to the current circumstances. Oh, they feel despondent because of what happened. This is the time for my character to then, now that I know they feel that way, my paladin goes up to them and gives them a pep talk. Now there's connection between characters. Now it gets them out of that state. Or I make matters worse. That can also be it's up to them. It could be a real consequence. But I really try and encourage my players to have that interaction with each other, to be invested in each other's stories, in the mental states of their characters. By all means, I mean in the world itself, these parties are usually made up of people that are emotionally close. Even if they have differences, they go through thick and thin. They stick together. That must forge some bonds, some camaraderie. Yet we rarely really interact and really go, how can I help them on the path that they're on? Be a fan of each other's characters. Really, you want to see each other succeed, and ask players and ask your players to ask the other players about their stories, about their characters. And, oh, where do you see him going? How's this character feeling about this? Trust me, it feels awkward at first. When you get used to that, oh, you're collaboratively telling much richer stories together. Try this at your table and let me know if that's worked for you guys.